Closing arguments Friday revolved around the moments leading up to the deadly 2019 crash on I-70 and after. Prosecutors argued that Rogel Aguilera-Mederos had opportunities to prevent the crash from happening.
He knew his brakes went out. He was in gear, but still decided to shift out of gear. Why would you ever shift out of gear when you know your brakes don't work?
The defense arguing that this was an accident and it doesn't make him a killer.
Everything was happening to him so fast. He was trying to make decisions right like that, and each decision didn't give him reason to think that it was going to stop.
In the end, the jury convicted Aguilera-Mederos on 27 of the 42 counts he faced, including 4 counts of vehicular homicide.
The nature of the case made it very difficult to defend, and there were so many eyewitnesses and so many options to the driver that weren't taken.
9 News legal expert Scott Robinson says that when it comes to sentencing, he believes it's likely that the judge will impose consecutive sentences for some, if not all, of the counts. The conviction on vehicular homicide alone could put him in prison for up to 48 years if the judge determines his sentences should be served consecutively. The assault charges could tack on more time.
The reality is that we're looking at double-digit sentences times however many victims the judge chooses to impose consecutive sentences for.
As for any defense, Robinson says one is to prove the absence of intent.
And those aren't insubstantial on many cases. But in a case like this, with 4 dead and dozens injured, it's not going to be enough to keep this young man out of prison.
Now, we did briefly see Aguilera-Mederos' family members as they were leaving the courthouse today. They were very upset and some were crying. They did not wish to speak with us. 9 News reporter Matt Jablow was in the courtroom today and told me that prosecutors hugged several of the victims' family members after the verdict. Jenny, Aguilera-Mederos' sentencing hearing is scheduled for December 13th.
All right, Luis, thank you for your reporting.